Stop by and take a look at the 2020 F-Pace. The first Jaguar luxury performance SUV brings together sporty handling and dramatic beauty with everyday practicality and efficiency. This vehicle has less than 90,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain sensing wipers, rear spoiler, panoramic roof, blind spot monitor, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, power lift gate, stability control, daytime running lights, engine immobilizer. Come take a test drive today.